Welcome. If you're looking to control who can post on your Facebook page, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how to make sure that no one but you can post on your Facebook page, all from your computer. This is a great way to keep your page organized and free from unwanted posts. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select your page by clicking on the page profile photo. Now you're inside your page. Next, look for the menu on the left side and find the option that says Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. You're now in the main settings area for your page. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Page and Tagging. Click on that to open more options related to who can interact with your page. Here's the important part. Find the setting that says Who can post on your page. Click on it, and you'll see a couple of options. To make sure that only you can post on your page, select Only Me. This means that no one else, not even other admins or followers, will be able to post content directly to your page's timeline. Once you've selected Only Me, make sure to click Done to save your changes. That's it. You've now set your page so that only you can post content, keeping your page neat and exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have any other Facebook questions. See you next time.